I always used to feel that God is watching me from above. Like I used to feel that okay, Bhagwan upar se mujhe dekh rahe hain, and I have to just keep following the path and keep doing good job. But once Reiki touched me, I felt that God is all around me. It is all around me. I mean, I can just feel the presence of God in me anytime, any time of the day. I just have to be able to use my hands and then give myself Reiki, and I think I can feel God. So for me, like I think I have felt God. I have felt the presence of God in my life with Reiki. So that's what Reiki has done for me. So, so once attunement is done, as
Yeah.
you just said, so do you think like what if I don't practice Reiki on everyday basis? So do you think like whether the effects of attunement will wear off? Will I forget like Reiki at certain point of time if I'm not practicing it every day?
See, I would like to say it's the energy which has chosen you. So Reiki will not forget you.
Okay.
Once you're attuned to Reiki level 1, throughout your life, you're a Reiki practitioner. Nobody can take that away from you. And yeah, there are a lot of people who come to me saying that, ma'am, we have learned Reiki, say 15 years back, 20 years back, we have done Reiki level 1, and we would like to learn from you Reiki level 2, 3, but then do we have to restart, go back to level 1? So I keep on telling all of them the answer is no. What I do is I spend, say, about 5 minutes in meditation with them where we reactivate the energy. It is not reattunement. I'm not attuning them. There are certain steps that we need to follow when we are giving Reiki to ourselves as well as to other people. So I just take them through all those steps. Their energy gets reactivated.
Okay.
Because see, attunement तो हो गई है लेकिन हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं है.
Yes.
तो ये तो जिम मेंबरशिप टाइप हो गया. मैंने तो जिम की मेंबरशिप ली है तो मेरा ऑटोमेटिकली सब वेट लॉस होगा, मैं
Yeah.
फिट हो जाऊंगी. ऐसे नहीं होता. You actually have to be there, do the workout. So same is the case with Reiki. It is freely available. So if you want to avail the benefits of Reiki, you need to actually practice Reiki on a day-to-day basis, and it's just a matter of 5-10 minutes.
Ah, of course, it's a matter of 15
Yeah.
minutes, no doubt about that. But yeah, one has to be punctual, that's all.
Yeah.
But see, Reiki for all now. We've done Reiki for people, Reiki for children, Reiki for everyone. But see, can you actually make a living out of Reiki? Like, can the housewives learn Reiki? Who is just sitting at home, can they make a living out of it? Like, that's the most important time. Now, see, you can learn something, you can feel the presence, but at the same time, you can get paid for it. That is something I would like to
Yeah. So a lot of people are actually curious as to इससे क्या हो सकता है, इससे मतलब क्या ही हो सकता है टाइप, but ऐसे नहीं है. Because sky is the limit. We are living in a world where there are 8 billion people, and not just people. Reiki works equally well for animals also, for pets also. Remember the other day we were creating this
Yes.
healing for one of our friends.
Murphy,
Yeah,
right?
pet. Yeah, Murphy. Very, very sweet pet she has. So
But you gave her a Reiki healing music, I remember,
yes,
right?
yeah. So she just has to play the music, which is programmed with Reiki, around the pet, and he receives Reiki. It is like that. So, coming back to the point that we can easily make a living out of Reiki because there are so many people who are keen to learn Reiki, and all thanks to COVID, it has transformed us. I mean, we know now, as a matter of fact, that health is wealth. Earlier, we used to say, yeah, health is wealth, health is wealth. But I know it because there were so many people that we used to meet, and nobody really had that conviction. But now, when people say, no, I really want to do something, health is important for me, yes, it is important for them. So, more and more people are wanting to learn such modalities. They want to improve themselves, they want to improve the lives of their loved ones. So if you start teaching Reiki or if you start even giving Reiki healing, then there are a lot and lot of clients who will come to you because
And
people need help.
there's something that she would not tell. Well, Reiki, I think your mom,
Yeah.
right? Prachi's mom, she's already into Reiki,
Yeah.
and she has this lovely small garden she has at her place, and she keeps giving those plants
Yeah.
Reiki. They're lush green, they're beautiful, they look healthy, like. So I
They look
guess that's
healthy.
all
Yeah.
because of her. Like,
Yeah.
mom keeps giving them Reiki, and somehow they bloom. Even the flowers, I guess, like
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
season they dry up. All she has to do is to give them
Yes.
Reiki and they bloom. So
Yeah.
I guess plants are also very receptive
Yes,
along with
very,
the
very
animals.
receptive because, like I said, that for humans and for animals, every time our hearts beat, they create electric charge in the body, which is called as bioelectricity, which is life force energy. So they already know about life force energy. Now, what happens to plants is the same. Plants and trees, they don't have a physical heart, but again, they don't even have a nose, but they can breathe. They take in carbon dioxide, they release oxygen, so they basically have their own system. So similarly, they have their own system in which they generate their own life force energy. So anything which is living instantly responds to life force energy. Yeah. Yeah. But the best part about Reiki is that it is not just limited to living things, like the Reiki music that we give for people's Vastu. So that also starts responding beautifully because,
Yeah,
yeah,
energy
energy is
clearing.
everything.
Yes,
Yeah.
energy is everything. Totally, totally. But see, many homes have broken relationships. Mother-in-law, father-in-law don't get along well. Sometimes daughter-in-law, mother-in-law don't get along well. Sometimes son and now there are relationship issues.
Yeah.
So, do you really think like we can work on the relationship issues with Reiki also?
Yeah, Reiki works wonderfully well because there are certain symbols in Reiki which are designed for healing the relationship.
So we can have a
Yeah.
harmonious environment at home
Yes.
rather than
Yes.
always like tug of war going on
Yeah,
as
yeah,
to
yeah.
power. So if
Yeah.
we can have something like specifically for the home,
Yeah.
not just energy clearing music of the vastu, but for the person also.
For the
Some
person also.
specifically
It works
designed
wonderfully
music for
well.
the person.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, that can be done.